안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to Sophia Imo's kitchen. Today we're gonna make tteokbokki, which is the most popular and common food, street food in Korea. Korean people really like tteokbokki because it's so sweet and chewy and even spicy. Once you try tteokbokki, and you will be addicted to this flavor, I promise you. And then this recipe is easy to follow and it will just take 30 minutes at least, so it's very simple. So let's get started. Yoo-hoo!
Step 1. Soaking the rice cake. Soak the rice cake in water for 10 minutes to make it soft. Step 2. Making the anchovy stock. First, pour 700 liters of water and add 7 to 8 dried anchovies with heads and intestines removed. And put them in a packet and boil them for 10 minutes over medium-high heat. Step 3. Boiling the eggs. Boil the eggs for 8 to 10 minutes. And put a little salt and vinegar to peel the eggshell easily.
This recipe includes very special ingredients. This is a top secret of this recipe. Ta-da! These are apples and onions. But these are not the special ingredients. But compared to other normal tteokbokki, they make tteokbokki flavor much sweet and sour. I promise you. So if you think why your tteokbokki you made at home doesn't taste the same as the just other tteokbokki restaurant, then you can try this recipe and then you will experience a great tteokbokki flavor.
Step 4. Cutting the other ingredients. First, cut onion and apple into small pieces to be ground well. Second, cut the fish cake in whatever size you want. I'm gonna cut them in lengthy size like tteokbokki. And then third, cut the green onion into 2 to 3 inches similar size to tteokbokki. And cut the green onion thinly for the garnish on the final dish. Step 5. Making the sauce. First, grind apples and onions in the blender. But if you feel bothersome to grind apples and onions, you can just use fruit cocktail juice a little bit. Second, pour the mixture of onion and apple in a bowl. And third, put 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot pepper paste and 2 tablespoons of hot pepper flakes and 2 tablespoons of starch syrup and 1 tablespoon of soybean sauce. But if you don't have any starch syrup in your house, then you can put 1 more sugar. Actually, tteokbokki parlors put too much sugar in their tteokbokki. But if you don't like the too much sweetness, then you can reduce the amount of sugar. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of beef stock or chicken stock for the deep flavor. And mix them together. Now taste for seasoning. Yummy. If you keep this sauce in the refrigerator for 1 day, it will taste much better. Step 5. Boiling. First, pour the sauce in anchovy stock and boil for a while. Second, add the rice cake and stir gently with a spoon when it starts to boil. Third, add the green onion and the fish cakes. Fourth, keep stirring until the rice cake becomes soft and the sauce thickens. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Fifth, while boiling, peel the eggs and put the eggs in a pot. Stir gently. Step 6. Serving. Put the tteokbokki in a plate and sprinkle black pepper and put green onion garnish on it. Now let's eat. Sweet and chewy. I can't say a word. Oh, my favorite part is to crush the egg and eat them with the sauce. It's so good. Today we made tteokbokki together. Isn't it so easy, right? Then see you next time with another delicious Korean food. 안녕!